Welcome to another walking tour through Da Nang. We're gonna start our walking tour here at Doba. It's a very important street, and we're here at a motorbike rental. And you see, I think they're washing the helmets here and then let them dry over here. And if you see this kind of bikes, those are the 50cc ones. They're always a little bit smaller, but those you can drive without a license, 50cc. But in my experience, they're actually very slow, very, very slow. Especially if I'm driving it, they're very slow. So I kind of need this kind of PCXs. They're way better for me, for my size. But hello, how much is the 50cc? It's 50cc, right?
150 one day.
Oh, but how much cc?
55. 50
50cc, and it costs 150,000 dong per one day.
150.
150 per day.
One day.
Ah, okay. But no license, huh? Driver license, no?
Okay.
Okay. All right. I think he did not understand. It's fine. I think this was a 50cc because that's how they look. Small, and I saw those bikes often. But you better always confirm, because if the bike is, let's say 60cc, that does not exist. But if it is, then you're gonna have a problem too, and you don't even know. Because sometimes I think there are 70cc or 90cc, and you would think those are slow bikes, but they're still too high to have no driver license needed. So here are a lot of hotels, and the best hotel here in the street for budget travel is May Beach Hotel. I saw those hotels so often, from $5 to $10 US. May Beach Hotel. I did a review on that hotel as well. I will link it down below. But here you can see there are a lot of restaurants, billiard clubs, sports bars, and even seafood places here. So you can get all kinds of seafood here, and it will be prepared right here. They have two grills. One is already heating up. There are lots of restaurants and sports bars here. And also one very famous, not famous, but very popular gym where my friend Marcus is going to, coming on the left side soon. This is like a sketchy hotel, I think. But here you can also get Bun Bo Hue. And this is the gym. That's Pig's Gym. Okay. You can see a little bit of a lurk here. So this is the gym. Hello. Hello. Yeah, it's pretty big. I get fans here, but it's kind of open air, but still they have everything you want. All right. Pharmacies are always easy to find as well. They usually have everything you need. They have even Indian food here. I never tried those ones. All right. This flower hotel I reviewed, and it was pretty bad. And it's a weird concept that they have two hotels in one, and yeah, not good. Lots of construction going on in here too. I'm wondering what will happen in here. What will come up here next? But here, this Doba street is very nice to walk, and you also have so many different food options here. And if you follow the street, you will find a few of my favorite restaurants, like Ban Kuan Place or Donald Trung. So they have a lot of good food places in this street here. Now here you can also see full market. The Grab drivers having their nap. It's almost noontime now. It's also a very popular burger place, Fly Burgers. They opened up the new location here on the corner. If you've been here last year, you will see this was empty lot, and they just built this big building, even 2 stories high, out of nothing. Now we're gonna go and have coffee with Marcus, and I will show you this little side streets here as well. This is still the Antung area, but they are differently named. So we're gonna walk into Antung 37 right now and going to my favorite coffee shop. So here's also lots of apartment buildings. If you are apartment hunting in Da Nang, you can always go through these little side streets here, 37, and just do a zigzag, okay? I will link down below where it is around, but there are so many apartments, and usually if they are available, they have it written down on the door. I will show you. So for example, there's nothing on the door, but it could also be a family house. But now you see here apartment, Antung 37, and then you see this number, and you can just text them. You can text them. Usually they have Zello or WhatsApp, or they use their phone number for everything. But this here is also apartment on the left with a phone number. So they're usually just 4 to 8 units. It's not that big. Pretty cute kids playing here. Yeah, very nice locals here. Yeah, it's a good area to live because not that many people drive around here and honk non-stop. So even though this is so close to the honking area, but here they don't honk. There's nothing to honk here usually. It could be that they do karaoke here, but you never know. That's the the gamble you have to take. Here's also a very interesting place. This is the 10,000 dong per kilo laundry. So they charge you 40 cents per kilo. 40? No, 80 cents? No, 40. 10,000. Yeah, here. Laundry is taken. 10,000 dong per kilo. Yeah, 10,000 is actually 40 cents. And here you have a lot of shaving and nail places. And right here on the right side is my favorite coffee shop. There we go. I'm gonna have a coffee now, and then we're gonna continue. Okay, we just had a coffee with this German lad and an Austrian guy. And now we're gonna walk over to the Australians. And I'm gonna show you a very nice Australian sports bar. They also have very interesting Sunday roast. And this is the most annoying sound when the Yamaha is not turned off their key ignition. Where's the Australian? Ah, he's there. So Marcus and I had here a foot massage. How did you like it, Marcus?
Was okay.
Was okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at this, the Austrian guy on his scooter. All right, guys, see ya.
Bye.
So now we're in the Le Quan Dao Street, and we're gonna head over the Aussie Bistro. Now I really like going down Sundays for UFC because they have a huge TV. It's very nice there. And here you can see also lots of coffee shops again, and we're gonna approach soon the butcher shop, a very good place to buy meat. This coffee shop is also very nice. Look at the kois. Nice. And another street full of spas. And if you want to have some rice dishes, Vietnamese rice dishes, and lots of meats and small dishes, Hep Kua Nong. Very nice. And here on the left, full market again. It's the 7-Eleven of Da Nang. Since Da Nang has no 7-Eleven, there are so many different smaller chains. And they usually have a lot of Korean products. Here on the left side is also a good place to change money. They just have money exchange here. It's like a wooden store, and they give you money, US dollar, euro, and this is the butcher shop. That's how it looks. Let's check it out inside. Hello, ciao. Okay. And you basically go in the fridge here. Look at this. All right, it's cold in here. And here you get like $4 steaks, top plate, picanha. It's like $4.50. And you basically have so many different meats here. This is all beef, then chicken, some vegetables, even wine. Whew, so cold. Cold cuts, cheese, pork, salami, all good stuff here. And now we're gonna go out again. Woo-hoo-hoo. I don't know what this is. I just made a video real quick. Have a good day. Thank you, bye bye. And on the left side, they have also a little bit of a steakhouse here, which also looks pretty good. Pull. This is how it looks. Yeah, I like eating here. But we're gonna continue and going to the Aussies. There's also a new sports bar. Never tried it out, but it's pretty busy in the evening. Here you have the only Turkish place. Turkish kebab. And lots of people like this banh mi actually. I never tried it though. Now we're back at the Flyburgers where we were before. Now we're gonna take here a right and going straight to the Aussies. They're most likely gonna drink already, because Aussies always drink in the morning already. Here's another spa on the right, and then we're gonna have a pho place. Pho and different dishes you can have here. Here's a big construction. I'm wondering what will happen here. It looks like some huge project. Huge project. It's going to be very interesting. So we're going to go one more and then to the right. And as you can see here, it's not that easy to walk on a walkway, because walkway are always motorbike parking. And sometimes, if you can walk on the walkway, you gotta go between those motorbikes. And here you have more massage places. A good rental bike place over here with big bikes as well. They have proper bikes, even X-Max and like big bikes as well. Right. So here's also a pretty Japanese place with kois again. I've never been inside. Oh, I have to try it out once. Lots of restaurants on the right, and now we're approaching this Lelo street. Lelo, did I pronounce it right? Lelo. And over there we're gonna finish at the Aussie Bistro. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I will do way more of those and much more interesting videos about that and all Asia, basically. Lots of construction going on here again. Here are very popular apartment buildings here. Lagom over here. And then the Menorah Grand Hotel. I reviewed them all. And behind it is the Muang Tan building. It's a hello. Yeah. I did a review about this Samantha Hotel as well. Pretty nice 2-bedroom apartments for around $400. You can check out my main channel where I have them all listed up. But here we're approaching the Aussie Bistro. Let's see if the lads are still there. Or they're not lads, they're blokes. Blokes. That's what I learned. Aussies are blokes. They're usually watching some weird cricket things. But before you walking into a Aussie place, you need to have the secret Aussie, 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 oi, oi, oi. You need to scream inside. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! So now we are approaching the Australians in the wild. Look at them, they're looking cricket. Weird sports. Then you know, if they're cricket or AFL running, you know they're all Australians.
Collingwood, that's the pies.
The pies.
Premiership.
And look at this, the Canadian is not allowed in because he did not say the secret words, Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Bro, you gotta learn, man. You gotta watch my videos and learn, man.
They put me in the ears.
Yeah, so the Canadian ghetto is over here.
Punish.
But maybe because you also speak French. Yeah, so this is cricket. I never watched cricket in my life. But I gotta learn before I go to Australia.
Yes.
Yeah.
And take you to the MCG.
MCG?
100,000.
Oh,
There
100,000.
on Boxing Day.
100,000?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't even understand what he's saying. Are these Indians?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is it like India against Australia?
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
The only other bigger rivalry
Yeah.
is against England.
England.
Ashes.
Oh, that's why there are no lads over here.
And we kick their butts, the English.
All right, all right.
Aussies are the best.
Okay, so now you learned something about Australia as well. And if you're an Australian, you gotta come here and check your sports. I don't know if the other places show it, but they show. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.